Look at this. Speaking of vehicles, how about the Caspian Sea Monster 302-foot superplane, which was capable of being a boat and a plane, believe it or not. Imagine landing that thing in the water. I believe they retrieved this. Yeah, 2 years ago, Russian authorities pulled a sea monster from a remote military pier on the Caspian Sea, which, by the way, is the world's largest inland body of water. So this was being used during, Soviet era type thing. This was 302 feet. Ekranoplan. This is a plane boat combination. And here we have, I think this is like a concept video, like after the fact, but it essentially gives you an idea of what like this beast would be like on the water. Like, look at that. This is, and takeoff from water, a machine of that scale. Good Lord.
It would need a lot of speed, right?
Oh man, tons of propulsion.
Yeah. But
the ability to land something that big in water, kind of amazing. Look at it go. The largest aircraft. Okay, so it actually wasn't the first of its breed. These type of things date back to the 60s. Look at it go. But anyway, apparently there is renewed interest in these types of things, probably or maybe not for the military, but probably for the military as well, but maybe also for commercial aircraft. Look how it flies just above the water there. That's some wild stuff.
Is that a missile?
Easy, Will.
That's a missile.
Well.
Oh, boy. What? It blows up something?
How high is it even capable of getting in the air, I wonder?
Yeah.
Anyway, so many of these that did previously exist have suffered this particular fate. Like they're just fell out of service or might actually be at the bottom of the water somewhere. But if you scroll down a little further, you can see some new age interpretations here or some new possibilities.
That looks so cool.
It looks like
looks big.
Like Star Wars or something. Like a bird, water bird. There you go. This thing is called the Regent Viceroy, and it's an all-electric 12-seater designed to create a new market for coastal civilian transport. So
cool.
Similar type of concept, but not at the same scale as the old stuff they were doing.